If you're new to RVing, dumping your black tank can feel intimidating. But with the Grech RV, it's actually a very clean, straightforward process. And once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. Let's walk through it step by step. First, no matter which Grech model you have, always dump your black tank first, then your gray. Your gray tank is your soapy water from your sinks, shower, and it helps rinse everything out and keep your hose clean. Let's start with the Strada, Terreno, and Turismo, which use the macerator system. On the driver's side, open your compartment and pull out your hose. Place it securely in the dump station, then turn the red handle so it's in line with the hose. On the Strada and Terreno, press the black button to open the valve. On the Turismo, pull the black T-handle valve. Once the black tank is open, turn on the macerator pump and let it run until empty. You'll hear the pitch change when it's done. Turn off the pump. Now open the gray tank. It's a button on the Strada and Terreno, a valve on the Turismo. Then turn the pump back on and let it run until empty. This helps rinse everything out. Turn the pump off, close your valves, turn the red handle perpendicular to the hose and retract the hose. For the Vacanza, it's simpler. Connect the hose, pull the black valve, then the gray valve, close everything, and store the hose. Wear disposable gloves and keep them in your side compartment so they're always easy to grab. And remember, this process usually takes about 10 minutes and is much easier than most people expect. Follow Mountain Luxe RV for more on all things Grech RV.